My name is John Sprayberry and this is my ERP system implementation project. Here you see the executive summary. It goes into detail about how Sprayberry Global Manufacturing is experiencing a problem with their current system where they're not having clear communication between their branch in Germany and their headquarters here in the United States. It goes into detail about the plan. Basically, we want to implement a custom-built ERP system to seamlessly communicate between the two areas. They will be able to access the same data at the same time. It will increase communications drastically. Here in section 1, we outline the team. The team will be made up of 10 members, 5 from the United States and 5 from Germany. Here we can see the 5 members that were assigned to the team in the United States, the roles they were given, and the tasks that they will be performing. It also goes into depth to the Germany team members, same as well. Roles they were assigned and tasks that they were given. Here we go to the project scope. Like I mentioned before, we want to get rid of the old system entirely and implement the new ERP system, which will improve our communications and make the two branches into one more full company. So here you can see the estimated project budget. We're projecting it's going to cost $8.6 million to implement the ERP. Here we can see a chart where we break down each category, the estimated cost in the category, and we can see why the cost is what it is in each category. Scroll down and we're going to get a brief work schedule. The project is going to be implemented over 18 months in 6 different phases. Here we can see our 6 different phases, what time period they're going to occur in those 18 months, and the primary responsibility of each phase. We go down to section 2 where we incurred a 15% reduction in the estimated budget. It caused no issues with the project scope being the same. However, with the custom built ERP system, some features were not able to be released off initial implementation. They will come later on. As for right now though, because of the cost reduction, they did not get to be implemented. Updated work schedule pretty much stays the same. We have the same 6 phases in the same time periods. The only difference is our primary responsibility. We put team members into each phase and what they are exactly assigned to do in each phase. You can see the budget, which took the biggest jump. It went from 8.6 million down to 7.31 million. Chart again is the same. Here we can see the category. We also see the estimated cost from before and the budget cost. You can see the reduction in that 15%. Some categories drop more just based off of importance, such as testing couldn't drop as much as, let's say, traveling from Germany to the United States for team meetings. Here we outline 3 major things. We have quality control, risk management, and change management. These are 3 major things when implementing this new ERP system. Each team member has their certain assignments in each role. Change management is crucial in this because you are completely changing how users operate on a daily basis. There is a team member specifically designed to help ease this process and make this way easier for the users. We go down here and we have communication, which was the problem for the beginning. This goes into detail of a couple ways that communication can be improved since the team is split between the 2 countries. We then go down and go into detail more into testing how it should be harder, because if a problem occurs once it's fully implemented, then the users will not use it. And here's the implementation where we list the plan to implement in increments, such as the ERP system is going to have 6 modules. It should be introduced 1 module at a time just to ease users in, instead of throwing it all at them at once. So that's all I got. Thank you.